Hello friends, today let us meet the cheapest branded wireless power bank, and the packaging looks very similar to that of some MI or Xiaomi products, and in the package you can see it is made in India, at least that is what is their claim. Warranty is for 6 months, MRP is around 2500, but you can get it for 1299 rupees from Amazon India. So this is the Gionee G Buddy wireless power bank with fast charging capability. Highlight about this product is that you can charge the power bank with both micro USB as well as type C cable. So that is very convenient. Both is rated at 5 volt 2 amps. Here I am using type C for charging the power bank. You connect it, the lights will turn on and will start blinking, showing that it is getting charged. So this is the so-called battery meter or power meter, where you can see the level of charge left or the level of charging progress. So that is the big plus of this power bank. Another big plus is that this is the cheapest wireless charging capable power bank. It's available at rupees 1299 right now in amazon.in. So another wireless charger from Samsung. This is the Samsung wireless charger which is capable of fast charging. This is also a 10,000 mAh power bank, just like this Gionee G Buddy power bank. But the build quality is totally different. This is made of aluminum and rubberized material. This is made of complete plastic. That is the biggest difference. And also here you can see the input is type C only and only one output, and the charge level is indicated by tiny LEDs. Now let us compare the speed of charging with both these power banks and see if there is any difference. And for that I am using AccuBattery app. So you can see it's almost full. Anyway, let us try. I will first check with the Gionee. Yeah, it's charging. You can see the charging speed. Of course the charging speed will vary, but you can see it is around 500 milliamps range. Now let us try it with Samsung. You can see almost similar figures. Please note that Samsung power bank will cost you around 2500, whereas this Gionee will cost you only 1300 rupees. So a big difference in price range. Of course Samsung has a better build quality and it's a very famous company. Gionee is also a company which was in Indian market for a few years. Later they completely vanished and they have come back with few phones and some accessories like this. Earlier when I tried with Samsung did perform better, but it's almost comparable, no problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel for more videos like this in future.